Lubaga Hill, located in Kampala, holds a deep historical and cultural roots in Uganda. Originally, it was the palace of Kabaka Mutesa I, the king of Uganda, in the late 1800s. Following a devastating fire that destroyed the palace, the land was abandoned for some years. In 1879, when the White Fathers, or the missionaries of Africa, arrived in Uganda, they began their mission from Chigungu landing site in Entebbe and made their way to Lubaga Hill. The Buganda king, under the leadership of Kabaka Mutesa I, granted the Catholic missionaries land at Lubaga Hill in 1889. Now this became the first major Catholic mission headquarters in Uganda. Before the current cathedral was built, 6 temporary churches were constructed on Lubaga Hill, that's between 1891 and the early 1900s. The structures were simple, made out of reed and mud, and were often destroyed by wind, rain, or fire. Now, despite this instability, the hill remained a vital pastoral and missionary hub for the Catholic Church in Uganda. By the early 1900s, the Catholic missionary efforts in Uganda had grown substantially. The local church needed a central cathedral, not just a place to worship, but also a symbol of stability, permanence, and growth of the Catholic faith in the region. Under the leadership of Bishop Henry Stretcher, the idea of constructing a grand cathedral was conceived. The construction of the cathedral began in 1914. Building materials were sourced both locally and from Europe. The cathedral was built in a Romanic Revival architectural style, characterized by red brick, walls, twin towers, and elevated ceilings. It was completed in 1924 and consecrated on the 31st of December 1925. The cathedral was named St. Mary's Cathedral Rubaga, dedicated to Mother Mary of God. It became a seat for the Archbishop of Kampala and the Mother Church of the Catholic Church in Uganda. Lubaga Cathedral is not only a spiritual center but also a national heritage site. It has hosted papal visits, including Pope Paul VI, that's in 1969, and Pope Francis in 2015. It has also been the burial site of significant Ugandan prelates like the Archbishop Joseph Chiwanuka, the first African Catholic bishop in modern times, and Archbishop Cyprian Chizitoranga. It also served as the location of major national Catholic celebrations, ordinations, and pilgrimages.